Volkner Mobil Performance S is a benchmark in the luxury motorhome segment, combining engineering precision, comfort, and long-distance travel capability in a 12-metre design. Designed for driving dynamics, safety, and driving pleasure, it delivers a smooth touring experience across highways and long journeys. At 12 metres in length, it offers generous interior space with a cosy atmosphere focused on comfort and well-being. Maximum freedom and self-sufficiency are ensured through large tank capacities, powerful battery systems, and advanced photovoltaic equipment on the roof. The onboard Volkner UX system automatically controls heating and air conditioning for perfect climate management at all times. Vehicle systems include up to 25 kilowatt-hours of battery performance and a 10 kilowatt diesel generator for backup power. Freshwater storage reaches up to 1,000 litres, supported by a solar system producing 2,400 watts of energy. The motorhome features automatic level regulation for stability and a hydraulic system that stabilises and levels the vehicle on any surface. A central garage system measures 4,700 by 2,030 by 1,420 millimetres. The cardanically suspended platform extends and retracts smoothly, even on uneven terrain, enabling secure transport of high-value vehicles. Its low centre of gravity between the axles improves handling and ensures neutral cornering behaviour during travel. Hydraulic systems operate both the garage platform and the stabilisation and levelling functions, either manually or automatically. Inside the interior reflects a luxury apartment style with premium materials and customizable floor plans. Burmester high-end audio systems deliver a pure sound experience with multi-zone integration across the living space. Volkner Mobil and Burmester collaborated to integrate home audio technology into a motorhome environment for the first time. This partnership highlights innovation in the luxury travel sector, enhancing comfort, entertainment, and exclusivity for customers. The Performance S represents the highest level of customization and craftsmanship in modern motorhome engineering. Every unit is built to order, allowing clients to select layouts, finishes, and equipment based on personal preference. Advanced engineering ensures durability, efficiency, and reliability for long-distance touring across continents. With its combination of technology, luxury, and practicality, it defines a new standard for mobile living. Travelers experience both independence and comfort, whether parked in remote locations or luxury campsites around the world. The integrated control system manages all onboard functions seamlessly through the Volkner UX interface. Heating capacity reaches 26 kilowatts, ensuring comfort even in extreme climates and weather conditions. Air conditioning is fully integrated with up to 10 kilowatts of cooling performance for interior climate control. Large-scale photovoltaic panels contribute to energy independence during extended off-grid travel. Safety systems are engineered to support stability, braking efficiency, and secure long-distance operation. The design philosophy prioritizes both functionality and luxury aesthetics in every detail of the vehicle. Volkner Mobil continues to push boundaries in the premium motorhome market with innovative engineering solutions. It remains one of the most advanced luxury motorhomes available for elite global travelers. Built on a robust chassis platform, it ensures structural integrity and long-term durability. The suspension system is designed for comfort and stability, even on challenging road conditions. Drivers benefit from precise handling supported by a low center of gravity design. The motorhome is engineered for long-distance travel without compromising luxury living standards. Every detail reflects German engineering excellence and attention to precision manufacturing. The garage system is a signature innovation, allowing seamless integration of high-performance vehicles. The hydraulic platform supports both transport and leveling functions with high reliability. Luxury interiors are tailored to provide a home-like atmosphere during travel. Lighting systems enhance ambience and are adjustable according to user preferences. Energy systems are optimized for efficiency and long-duration autonomous operation. The motorhome supports full off-grid capability with advanced resource management systems. Entertainment systems provide immersive audio and visual experiences for passengers. Burmester audio integration delivers exceptional clarity and depth across multiple zones. The collaboration sets a new benchmark in luxury audio integration for mobile living environments. Climate control systems maintain optimal temperature regardless of external conditions. Navigation and driving assistance systems enhance safety and ease of travel. The interior layout can be customized to meet individual lifestyle requirements. Overall, the Volkner Mobil Performance S represents the pinnacle of luxury motorhome engineering, combining advanced technology, comfort, and independence for global travelers seeking a premium mobile lifestyle experience. With its integrated garage system, hydraulic stabilization, and high-efficiency energy infrastructure, it delivers unmatched convenience and versatility on the road. Designed for discerning owners, it blends performance, safety, and refined living space into one seamless traveling experience worldwide, setting new standards in luxury mobility and redefining expectations for comfort, autonomy, and innovation in modern motorhome design across premium travel markets worldwide today, evolving